Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make lao baked eggs, and this is a really great for snack, appetizer, or birthday party, for gathering party. So let's go ahead and look at the ingredient and get the cooking started. First of all, I will preheat the oven at 175 degrees or as low as your oven can go to warm up the oven before you go prepare the egg. Here I have 5 dozen eggs or 60 eggs in here. First of all, and I have a spoon, a skewer to help get the egg out of the shell. So what I will do is I will use a spoon or a knife or something, like crack a little on the top here. Don't crack it too hard or it will break up the egg. Then prepare like a bag or a bowl to get off to store the shell. I will crack a little hole on the top here. And I will use a skewer like to swirl and then to get the egg out of the shell like so. Then we just continue with all of the eggs. Make sure you do it outside from the bowl so that you don't get any shell in your eggs. But we will strain it later. Alright, so I will continue until I'm done with all 60 eggs. Then I will come back and show you what to do next. Show you how we season all the egg and then put it back to the shell. So here I done almost of them. This is the last eggs. Here I have 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, half tablespoon golden mountain sauce, or you can use thin soy sauce, and half tablespoon fish sauce in here. And I will pour that into the eggs. For the dry ingredient, I will have here half tablespoon sugar, half tablespoon salt, half tablespoon mushroom seasoning, half tablespoon white pepper, and half tablespoon black pepper. So if you don't like that much black pepper or white pepper, then you can just use less. And you can use a manual mixer or an electric mixer. So here I have a hand electric mixer, so I will use that. So I suggest you to mix the dry ingredient to the wet ingredient before you add to the eggs, because as you can see now, the dry ingredient, when I pour it directly to the eggs, it will cause a lump or it will be harder to blend in. But if you use the electric like I do, it's easier. But if you use the hand whisk, that you use your hand to whisk manually, that one will be a bit difficult to work with. If you don't have the mixer, electric mixer, you can use like a hand whisk to mix. That might take longer. So after I'm done mixing everything together, I strain the eggs mixture into a different bowl to make sure that we don't get any excess shell that fall off from the egg shell. After I'm done pouring there, I will use a spatula to get everything out as much as I can. I will scoop out all the foam on top of the egg mixture. When you pour the eggs mixture back into the eggshell, it doesn't have any bubble in there. Once I'm done, I will save all the foam and that I will probably microwave for about 30 to 45 seconds and then can eat it. It tastes pretty good. I'm used a little bit sample to microwave about 30 seconds and then see if the flavor is suit to your liking. If it is, then you can now fill the egg mixture back to the eggshell. Otherwise, you can add more seasoning if you prefer. I will continue to fill all the eggs, then I will be right back after I'm done with all 60 eggs. And this is the last egg, so I still have a little bit of the eggs mixture in the bowl, but I will get all of them and fill all the eggs that are not all the way full. So just fill a little bit on each egg until you're done with all the eggs mixture. And I suggest that when you fill the eggs, please don't fill it too full or it will burst out. Just fill and leave a little bit space on the top on the hole so that when you bake it, the egg will not burst. Now it's time to put the eggs into the preheat oven to 175 degrees Fahrenheit or 79 degrees Celsius. Let it bake for 1.5 hours, then check one more time. If it's not done yet, then I will increase the temperature of the oven to 200 for another hour, then check it again. I will use a skewer to stick into the center of the egg, and if it just come out clean, then that should be done. The egg is done cooking. Okay. All right. I bake my eggs for about 2.5 hours, almost close to 3 hours. So it depends on your oven temperature. And this is how the egg look like. Alright, so now the eggs are completely cooled down. So I will try to peel it or crack it like you would crack hard-boiled eggs. Here's how it look like. The bottom are the black pepper and white pepper in there. So let's get a couple in there. It's really easy to peel. Now I will try to cut it in half to see how it looks like inside. Wow, look at how smooth it is. When I eat my baked eggs, I like to eat it with this Cantonese suki sauce. It has a little bit sour, spicy, and sweet in there. I like this brand better than the sweet chili one that they have the egg roll in there. That one I found that it is too sweet for me, so I like this one, this brand better. Sprinkle a little bit of toasted sesame seed on the top. The smell is amazing. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my God, it's so delicious. Alright everybody, so now it's time to taste my baked eggs. How you eat it is you can just dip it into the sauce like that, or put a sauce over the egg like that and eat. So either way, it tastes the same. So let's taste it. It's so good. The flavor is just perfect. I hope you give this sauce a try. The fresh mint flavor go really well with the eggs. It's just perfect. Well combined. And these baked eggs are perfect for kids. If they eat too much boiled egg and there's no flavor and they want to eat like flavored eggs, this is a great way to make some baked egg for kids. And my kid loves them, so I hope you give it a try. See if your kid will love them as my kid. If you want to eat with the sauce, it tastes even better, but if you just want to eat like it is, like just the egg, the flavor is already enough, so just perfect the way it is. I can just eat all of this egg by myself, but well, here it is. So I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know how you like it. Before you head out, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and comment, share to my channel so that sharing is caring, so that other people can know or see all the yummy food. Until next time, bye.